Welcome to Belly Breath. In this mindfulness meditation, you'll be guided to gently tune into your body, your breath, and the present moment. Allow yourself to slow down, release expectations, and simply be here, aware, compassionate, and calm. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position, whatever feels most natural for you. Allow your body to rest and soften. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it flow out through your mouth. As you breathe, notice the simple rhythm of life moving through you. There's no need to change it, just observe. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. The ground, the chair, the bed, all holding you with ease. Bring awareness to how your body feels right now. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. The warmth or coolness of the air on your skin. Whatever sensations are present, welcome them with kindness. You don't have to fix or judge anything. Just breathe and notice. Now, bring your attention to your breath once more. Feel it move in and out, steady and calm. Each breath invites you deeper into stillness. Each exhale helps release tension, thought, and effort. If your mind drifts, that's okay. It's what minds do. Gently return to your breath, your anchor in this moment. With each breath, imagine yourself softening. Your face, your shoulders, your hands. Let the whole body settle into peace. Sense the quiet around you. The air, the sounds, the space. Everything is simply existing, just as you are. Stay here for a few moments, resting in the ease of being. Breathing, aware, present. When you're ready to return, start to bring gentle movement back to your body. Roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep, refreshing breath in. And exhale with a soft smile. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this feeling of awareness and calm with you. Thank you for practicing with belly breath. Take this grounded sense of awareness with you into the rest of your day, remembering that peace is always found in the present moment. If this meditation brought you calm, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a moment of stillness.